Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your password on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Etsy. But now guys, let's see how you can actually what you have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have categories where you can check out all of the categories. We have the search bar where you can search for anything that you want. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your own account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change your password on Etsy. So it is pretty simple. You need to go to the top right corner and click on your account. Then out of all of these options here that of course, as you can see, we have, so you have the purchase and reviews, messages, special offers, Etsy registry, help center, account setting, and sign out. You need to of course go and click on account settings. After you click on account settings, you just need to go to the security tab, which is of course the second tab, and go to privacy tab. And here guys, you can go and change your password. Of course, when you change it, you just need to go and of course save it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.